Jasmy by and large acquired roughly 4.08% inside the for the most part, most recent 24 hours, which certainly is genuinely critical. The EMA 50 generally is at present at $0.007. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin truly is drifting at $87,003,429, or so they certainly thought. Jasmy explicitly has its really next obstruction at $0.006, which truly is very huge. 15 July 2023. In this article, we will sort of walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these regularly, especially got clarification on pressing issues facts. What by and large is fundamentally momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin, especially is Jasmy a truly wise venture, which in a real sense is very huge. Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so forth, which especially is very huge. Be that as it may, prior to plunging especially profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, essentially let us generally discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,216,031,446,891, or so they explicitly thought. The sort of complete exchanging volume really remains at $29,444,606,376, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in a huge manner, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level, after a vertical development of 0.25%, or so they generally thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.72%, coming to $1,931.55 during the past 24 hours, showing how which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level, after a vertical development of 0.25%, which basically is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.55 following a value change of 2.36% inside a similar time span. Further appearance how Jasmy in every practical sense acquired roughly 4.08% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. XRP the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is up by 1.8. And as of now exchanging at 72 cents, or so they explicitly thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which certainly shows that XRP the very local coin of XRP, especially is up by 1.8, and at present, exchanging at 72 cents, in a kind of significant manner. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a sort of descending course for sort of transient in a genuinely significant manner. Right now, a truly broad in every practical sense, negative plunge, can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,216,031,446,891, which basically is very huge. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized pointers used to, for the most part, recognize extremely key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which in a real sense shows that Jasmy generally has its next opposition at $0.006, or so they fundamentally thought. Support really is a level at which purchasers sort of become sort of more sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that right now, a truly broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there most certainly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,216,031,446,891 in a by and large enormous manner. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which merchants in a real sense become move sort of dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP especially, is up by 1.8 and as of now exchanging at 72 cents in an unpretentious manner. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. The ongoing Jasmy coin cost most certainly is $0.007 with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the beyond 24 hours in a huge way. Right now, Jasmy, all things considered, is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars. Jasmy coin value investigation. Jasmy cost examination for 15 July 2023, insight and everyday time span, truly made sense of beneath, exhibiting that market examination over the all things considered last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,216,031,446,891, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving in every way that really matters, normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving genuinely normal, EMA 2 in a real sense. Examine the future development of the Jasmy coin, showing how 15 July 2023. In this article, we will by and large walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now, or for most certainly 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part gotten clarification on pressing issues. Facts. What sort of is essentially transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, especially is Jasmy for the most part wise interest in an especially significant manner. The MACD line sort of is remaining beneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, so the EMA 50, in every way that really matters, is as of now at $0.007, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the especially everyday outline, showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin fundamentally is floating at $87,003,429, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The by and large relative strength file, RSI, for Jasmy coin for the most part is as of now drifting at 19, for 14 days extremely normal line, which basically implies Jasmy sort of is in oversold zone and a pattern inversion sort of is conceivable, especially for their appearance. How XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP by and large, is up by 1.8 and right now exchanging at 72 cents. Kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking, while Jasmy's Williams % R marker explicitly is at 77.222 for the 14